So, hello, hello, good morning. So, welcome back once again to my vlog, to my YouTube channel. So, good morning to all and everyone that is watching right now. So, thank you so much for your support, for my loyal supporters, subscribers, followers, reactors, and to all my real friends and everything and all the new ones and the old ones. So shout out to all of you guys, and I just want to say something that is very relevant for today's generation. So if you are going to try things that you are unfamiliar with, so you better watch out what you're trying to do, because it matters most. Your actions are very, very critical. So be mindful, guys. So to the younger generation nowadays, be mindful and always watch your steps all the time. So that's for it. So thanks so much for watching, and please, please, I'm not begging you, but I need your support. So please like, share, subscribe, and what do you call this, we can make interactions together. So just subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my official Facebook page, and then you can also reach me through other social media platforms like TikTok, Bigo Live, Kumu Live, and other stuff. So I'll just post it on my official Facebook page and as well as to my Facebook accounts. So thank you so much once again for watching, and please, please, ingat po palagi. So, drink regularly water, because napakainit ang panahon kahit na medyo umuulan na dito. So, by the way, this is your aspiring influencer slash content creator slash freelance artist slash everything and all, and you can call me Kuya Ryle. So, thank you so much for watching once again. Bye-bye! See you on my next video. Bye, guys! Love, love. Ingat. Bye-bye. Take care. Start day right. Everything's gonna be alright. Oh, hooray for today. La 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 la. Love ka ba? Charot. Love ka ba? Ewan ko sa'yo kung love ka niya. So, that's all. So, bye-bye. Ano, dahil na ma-end? Ay, naku, B. Ano to? Ayaw nang ma-end.